Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain propositional logic. This is a new chapter for you. So all of you please pay attention with this one. Okay. So now first heading is here propositional. What is the meaning of propositional? It is an atomic sentence. Atomic sentence means एक sentence है. So simply you can say here it is a sentence which have only two possible answers, true or false, yes or no. Okay, not more than that. Suppose for example you can say here example, it is raining. So what answers are possible for this sentence? Yes or no. Yes means true, no means false. Yes or no. Clear? So now you can take another example. Apple is red. Okay, so what answer you will tell for this sentence? या तो हाँ बोलोगे या तो ना. True or false? Same thing here. Wind is blowing. You have only two possible answers. True or false? Yes or no. So the sentence which have only two possible answers, that is called propositional sentence. Clear? So now come on the next topic. Next topic is what? Symbols and operators. Symbols means what? कि हम with the symbols which one is used to represent propositional sentence. Suppose you have one sentence, it is raining. You are using P to represent this sentence. So P is what? This is a symbol of it is raining. Here you can use any variable. So same thing here, wind is blowing, so you can use Q for this. So these are the symbols. Symbols हम अपने हिसाब से set कर सकते हैं. Okay. So what is the benefit of using symbols? कि no need to write this sentence. Okay. Otherwise, suppose anywhere you want to use, so simply you can use your P and Q. Which one you have used? Okay, so now come on the operators. Operators means what? First operator I am going to tell you. This one is what? Conjunction. Conjunction means what? It is also called AND operator. Why I am explaining here AND? Please pay attention. There are three logical operators: AND, second one OR, third one NOT. There are three logical operators. These all I will use here. So my dear, first one is what? Conjunction. Conjunction means what? AND. Now this operator, you like the English. English में क्या होता है? Two sentences use करने के लिए conjunction disjunction you use करते हो ना? The same thing here. Here you will use conjunction to join two propositional sentences. Okay, so AND operator is the first one, is the AND operator. It is also represented with the dot and this sign. Okay, dot and this sign, दो signs यहाँ दिए हुए हैं. You can also use AND, capital letter में AND भी use कर सकते हैं represent करने के लिए. Okay, so now the statements are true and so how it will return the answer? Yeah, how it works? It returns true if all the statements are true. ये अभी learn करो, अभी मैं explain करूँगा later. I will explain later. So it returns true if all the statements are true, otherwise false. So now come on here. Example. So listen, my dear, suppose I have taken here two variables. Two variable means what? This variable is represented first propositional sentence, or this one is representing here second propositional sentence. Any sentence you can use. Just I am using here first P and Q, this one. So P and Q. So why I have written here 0 0 1 1? So my dear, please pay attention. 0 means no, 1 means yes. So PQ, two sentences I am using, or I want to join it. So that's why I am using your conjunction. Suppose P and Q. So my dear, you can ask here, sir, why you have written 0 and 1? So my dear, listen. Suppose दो sentence है, तुमसे किसी ने पूछा it is raining and wind is blowing. So raining हो भी सकती है और रेनिंग नहीं भी हो सकती और हवा भी नहीं चल सकती है. विंड नॉट ब्लोइंग हो सकता है. सो दैट्स वाई रिप्रेजेंट फर्स्ट वन आई हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड इफ बोथ आर नॉट हैपनिंग. 0 0 मीन्स व्हाट? पी इज नॉट, रेनिंग इज नॉट हैपनिंग, रेनिंग नहीं हो रही है. क्यू मीन्स व्हाट? क्यू 0 मीन्स व्हाट? हवा नहीं चल रही है. क्लियर? सो नाउ सेम थिंग हियर. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, व्हाट सेकेंड कंडीशन वाई टेकन? पी नॉट रेनिंग, नॉट ब्लोइंग, नॉट रेनिंग बट ब्लोइंग. Third condition, raining but not blowing. Third condition, both are happening here, means raining and blowing. सो माय डियर, इसका मतलब समझ में आ गया होगा. अब नाउ यू कैन राइट हियर with a jugaad system. You can learn this serial. Means what? If first sentence you have written second, so first both you write 0 0 1 1. So how will you write 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1? So this is the easy for you. You can easily learn. Suppose two sentences you have taken. So first one you write 0 0 1 1. Second one 0 1 0 1. Okay, so my dear, you can ask here once a question कि sir why you have taken 4 possible answers, और भी कुछ possible है. So no my dear, suppose you know ना कि what you will use this formula 2 to the power number of variables. Why only 2 to the power? Because दो आंसर possible हैं, that's why. So फाइंड आउट करके देखो. सपोज 2 to the power number of variables यहाँ कितने हैं? 2. So 2 to the power 2. What will be answer? 4. यानी 4 conditions possible हैं. Second one, suppose you have taken 3 variables p, q, r. So then you will write 2 to the power 3. Then what? How many answers are possible? 8. Clear? अब आ जाओ इस पे. यहाँ I have taken here 2 variables. That's why 4 answers are possible. अब इसको मैं ये एंड निकालेंगे. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट हियर? सपोज चेक हियर, व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? इट रिटर्न्स ट्रू. ये कब रिटर्न करता है? ट्रू, यानी कि 1 कब रिटर्न करेगा? इफ़ ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू. मीन्स यहाँ के इधर के पूरे स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होंगे तो आंसर में ट्रू आएगा. तो यू कैन सी हियर, इफ लास्ट वन बोथ आर ट्रू, सो लास्ट आंसर इज ट्रू. इन अदर कंडीशंस यू कैन सी फर्स्ट वन इज फॉल्स, सेकेंड वन फॉल्स. तो फॉल्स यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. अदरवाइज फॉल्स. Otherwise false means what? If all are true तो it will return true. Other conditions के लिए चाहे जो भी हो, पहली सही दूसरी गलत, false ही आएगा. दूसरी पहली गलत दूसरी सही, false. First false, second false, false. So ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़, इसका ध्यान रखेंगे. If any confusion you can call me. God bless you. Thank you.